Okay, so Lucas had... Where'd that other ball go? The other ball. It's gone. Here it is. Okay, Lucas had questions about asteroids, right?
Daddy, we call it the meteor. We call it different names and at different times, but is asteroid or like a anytime name?
I think we should call it the right name for the right time. So asteroid is when it's up in space,
Yeah.
right? And then meteor is when it comes into the Earth's atmosphere, and then meteorite is if it reaches the ground. Okay?
Okay.
Right. So you had questions about
Asteroids.
and how they get knocked around.
Knocked around.
And why it's not the big ones, right?
Yeah.
Why it's not the big ones, right? So we're going to use these two balls. So here are the two balls, and
This one's bigger.
This one's bigger, and there's nothing in this one. So one of them's heavy. Can you tell me which one's heavy?
This one.
Yeah, it feels heavier, right? So we're going to talk about momentum. Okay, so we're going to do a little experiment.
Momentum.
We're going to have a look at that. So we're going to roll these balls around into each other and see what happens. Okay.
Okay.
So we're going to imagine that this one is like a small asteroid, and this one's a big asteroid. Okay?
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay, Lucas is going to do this experiment for us. So Lucas has our small asteroid, and over here is our big asteroid just minding its business in space. It's not doing anything, it's just hanging out. And here comes our small asteroid, and Lucas is going to roll it into the big one.
It's gonna float into it.
It's going to float into it. Let's see if it floats into it.
And that one just goes away.
It bounced off, didn't it? But what happened to the big one?
It did nothing.
It did nothing, right? It did nothing because it's so big, right? Yeah. So when we roll the little one into the big one doesn't do anything. But what if we change it around? Now? What if we roll the big one into the little one? The big one is now just the little one's minding its business, and now the big one is just traveling on its way, doing its thing, and off it goes. Whoa!
They just both go away.
They both go away, right? They both go away. So, if they're both in the asteroid belt and a little one is flying around and it hits a big one, what's going to happen to the little one?
It will just go off.
Yeah, it'll go off, right? And what will happen if a big one comes through and hits a little one?
They both go off.
They both go off, but the big one keeps going where it went, right? The big one keeps going where it went.
Yeah.
And the little one just gets thrown wherever, right? And this is momentum, basically. Basically, what momentum is something that's small and light, even if it's moving really fast. Well, if it's moving really fast, it has a lot. Doesn't have very much momentum.
Now,
okay, so it can't move something big and heavy. It's really hard to move something big and heavy. Do you want to try with them again?
Yeah.
Okay, have another go.
First one was which one?
Well, you can try whichever ones you want now, but it's really hard for the little one to move the big heavy one. That's why we don't see a lot of big asteroids flying out of the asteroid belt.
I want to use that soft. I want to now like a soft meteor and a hard meteor.
Oh, you want to see what happens if one's soft?
Yeah.
Well, let's try it out. Okay, so now we've got the unlikely type of meteor, which is the soft meteor. I don't know if there are any soft asteroids in space, but we've got one here. Here it is in Lucas's hand. There it is. See, it's all soft. We're going to see.
I've still got this one, but we don't really need it anymore.
We're going to try.
And there it goes.
There it goes. We're going to see what happens if a soft one hits a hard one.
And then just like...
And then we're going to try something else.
Now we're going to try something else, but still about meteors.
Here it goes.
Okay, so
Ooh.
the soft one rolls away, and the hard one just rolls a little bit. Let's try it again.
Ah, we better check. You better hold both of them and tell us which one's heavier.
This one.
You're sure? Hard to catch two balls at the same time. The pink and green one is heavier?
This one's heavy.
Well, that's what it showed us, right? It showed us that the one that bounces off and comes back is the lighter one because it can't move. It can't move the other one because it's too light to do
Let's
it.
try it the other way around.
Try the other way around. Okay, so don't roll it too fast. And we'll see what happens more easily. Ah, you see what happened? The pink and green one kept going and it pushed the other one because it had more momentum. So it just kept pushing because it's heavier.
Let's try it fast.
Oh, well, it did it, but it bounced off something first. Bounced off something even bigger and heavier. And there they both go.